You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Welsh. For more Welsh names, pronunciations, Welsh pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. Often mistakenly pronounced as Owain. Yes, the spelling make it look like it should be said Owain, but it's actually pronounced, at least in Welsh, Owain. O-Ein. Owain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.